So AI is here, and I think a lot of people, some people know, some people don't know that it's gonna get very crazy. Um, there's gonna be no point in hiring humans to do things anymore because a lot of it can be done with AI. Well, everything's gonna be able to be done with AI when there's the robotics Optimus, whatever is out. So I don't. I see that ChatGPT is coming out with a lot of things. Apple is coming out, and Apple's making the new Siri, which can see everything and read everything. So you can just ask it pretty much anything you wanted to remember. Like if you forgot something, you could say, "Hey, what was this?" Or like if everyone in the group chat says I'm coming, you say, "Okay, who in the group chat said I'm coming?" And then it would like put it all together in a list for you. It could do like multi-step things like send Jason an invite to my party, send him a pin, and then do this and do that. So it's pretty much like making you extremely powerful, but also ChatGPT and all the new tools that are coming out are making it where you don't need to hire someone to do something anymore, especially like graphic design, website builds, like it does the coding. Anything digital is pretty much going to be taken away first. Anything repetitive, now with Claude, you can teach a task, it screen records, you do something, and then it'll do that for you. So it's getting pretty crazy. I think if you want to hedge, if you want to do the safe thing, do stuff that's IRL, like shooting videos or plumbing or electrician. That's, I think that at least has like 6 to 10 years of safety until Optimus is like fully everywhere. But then after 10 years, that's when it gets crazy. I won't expand too much on what's going to happen after that, but I'll make another video and maybe talk about that. I think that's going to be the main purpose of this channel from now on. So subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.